Hi everyone, I just wanted to go through this practice problem here with you so that you can see exactly how I mean for you to cancel out units when we are converting from one unit to another. So this is the same problem that's on the Canvas page right above this video link. A wood board is 138 inches long. How long is this in feet? So this means we are trying to go from inches to feet. And this is hopefully a common knowledge for you all. We all know that there are 12 inches in every 1 foot. So that means we can make two conversion factors from this information. 12 inches over 1 foot equals 1 foot over 12 inches. They both equal 1. Remember, conversion factors always equal 1 because 12 inches equals 1 foot. Anything divided by itself is equal to 1. So back to the problem, we are starting with inches and we're trying to get to feet. So that means we're going to have to cancel inches out. So we have 138 inches that we are starting with. And we want to multiply it by one of these conversion factors to cancel inches and end up in feet. This means we want the inches to be on the bottom. Currently, inches are on the top. This would be the same as thinking about 138 inches over 1. If that helps you look at this being on the top, then we can multiply by the conversion factor 1 foot for every 12 inches. Now we have inches divided by inches, and that is how they cancel out. Because just like our conversion factors here, anything divided by itself equals 1. And our final unit, the only unit left in this equation, is feet, which is exactly what we want to have as the final unit for our problem. The next step would be to divide our 138 by 12. Should have done that before I got on this video, but I'll just quickly type it into my calculator. 138 divided by 12 is 11.5. And that would be our answer. The reason why I am dividing by 12, 138 is in the top, the numerator, 12 is in the bottom, the denominator. So we take all the numbers on the top, divide them by all the numbers on the bottom. 1 are the only other numbers. So our final answer is 11.5 feet. Hopefully that helped you.